Hello everyone. Last week I did a small presentation at one of the CW or Cambridge Wireless Future Devices and Technologies special interest group. So I thought let me make this into a video and we can have a discussion after this video whether this is something that will take off in the future or what other changes need to be done to actually make this a reality. So what if robots can substitute humans? And uh, if humans could not be present in a situation where they need to be, and this could be due to long or short term medical condition, or it could be due to travel issues, or it could be just to keep an eye on someone. So let's look at three quick examples and see where robots can actually substitute.
There are more than 35,000 children with long-term illnesses in the UK. These children are not able to attend school as usual. They also miss out on maintaining friendships. Therefore, we have created AV1, which is already helping more than 150 children to take part in their own lives. AV1 is a personal robot which is controlled through an app. The app lets the child participate at school even though they might be at home or in the hospital. AV1 has been developed with privacy in mind. Neither teachers nor classmates need to worry about surveillance. Everyone should have the opportunity to participate in their own lives.
So this is a very simple, interesting example of a little telepresence robot, and it could be present where, say for example, in this situation, kids could not be present because of some long-term medical or even like a short to medium or long-term medical condition. So this particular robot, as you can see in the picture, so it has got camera, eyes with LED lights to indicate that it's been switched on, lights on top of the head, again to indicate it's switched on, right? Charger input, loudspeaker. So it's creating a sort of like a, a, a way to actually let others know that this robot is switched on, right? And the person could actually be present in a school or a class and can feel that it's a part of discussion. So let's move on to the second example.
New technology could allow someone else to live your life for you. The Chameleon mask, developed by Japanese researcher Shunriki Mato, works by strapping a screen to the face of a human surrogate. The surrogate then walks around under instruction of the user. The user can sit at home and watch what is going on through a laptop, which is connected to a camera on the screen the surrogate is wearing. The screen's camera gives the user a first-person view of where the surrogate is going, and the user can communicate with people through the surrogate. The surrogate could even dress like the user to make it look more realistic. The technology could be used for meetings, parties and other social events, allowing the user to attend events remotely and literally be two places at once.
So this is another example, and somebody mentioned to me last week that is it like an April Fool's joke? But I assure you, it's in fact real. I have provided links at the bottom. It's just a concept, and the concept is explained in various conferences and events. So there is a possibility that this can become a reality. But personally, I think this is a bit more intrusive than just having a little robot. But again, it could be a bit creepy too. But again, that's just my opinion. What do you think? Let's look at the third example.
Hi,
Where are you from?
from the Netherlands. And you?
I'm in Brooklyn right now.
The audio is really good, eh?
Yeah, I have a little microphone and a little extra webcam, but even without those, it's still really, really good quality and everything.
Do you really think that companies can use it very well?
I do. This model is our consumer model, which is more for like the home, if you wanted to check in on an elderly relative or something like that. But our enterprise model, which I don't know if there are any around, is like basically it's built for the workday. It has an 8-hour battery life.
So this in this particular case is like a proper robot, right? Which is moving around, and it could be, as she said, it could be to keep an eye on an elderly relative, or maybe it could be the boss just doing his rounds in the office even when he is not around, to keep an eye on everyone. And sometimes people just feel that if there is an authority, they tend to do a bit more work than they would do without some authority being present. So these were three examples of telepresence robots, and I'm interested in what you think. So just feel free to add your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.